digital safe system implementation using MSP430 LunchBox. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of digital safe system implementation using MSP430 LunchBox from Konark Sharma. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand the basic overview of digital safe system implementation using MSP430 LunchBox. So, let's get it started.
This is Anurag Kuswaha, roll number 3221, MTech first semester. This is my embedded project called Digital Safe using MSP430 LunchBox microcontroller. Here we use the Code Composer Studio software. Now we build the software into the MSP LunchBox and the LCD display Digital Safe by Anurag. Now press A. Here the LCD blink, it signifies that the button is pressed correctly. Now by pressing A, the LCD display enter new password. Now we assume, let us suppose the password is 2, we enter the 2 and then press B. So it stores the password and the door is closed. Here the message is door is closed. Now to open the door, press C and then press the password and then press D. Now the door is open. Here the message is door is open. Now when the door is open, we suddenly want to close it. So just simply press star and the door is closed. Here we connect the buzzer with the door open and close. When will the door open and close, the buzzer sounds. Now the door is closed. Now if we want to reset the password, then the reset password will only happen when the door is open. So simply press C to open the door and enter the password and then press D. The door is open. The door is open, here you see. Now press A to reset the password. Here enter new password. Now let us suppose we assume the password is 6. Now press B to store it. Now the door is closed and now we want to check if password is updated or not. Now press C. We enter the updated password 6 and then press D. Now the door is open. Now we see that the password is updated. Now press H to close the door. The door is closed. Now we see that when we enter the wrong password, what will happen? So here the door closed. We press the C and here the enter password. The correct password, the updated password is 6. So we enter the wrong password. Suppose we entered 4 and press D. So the LED blink 3 times and the LCD messages warning wrong password. So this is my whole project. Thank you.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.